Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an epic showdown. Fidelcrest versus FTMO. If you're on the hunt for the best proprietary trading firm to take your trading career to the next level, you're in the right place. We'll explore their key features, profit splits, program structures, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to make an informed decision. So let's get started. Fidelcrest was established in 2018, making it a newer player in the game, while FTMO was founded in 2015, offering a seasoned presence. FTMO's longer history may translate to greater industry trust and experience. When it comes to asset coverage, Fidelcrest offers a diverse selection, including forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, whereas FTMO focuses mainly on major forex pairs and a limited number of indices. If you prefer variety, Fidelcrest has the edge. Now let's talk about program structure. Fidelcrest features a multi-level program, allowing progression based on consistent performance, while FTMO offers clear guidelines and targets for advancement. Consider your trading style. Fidelcrest may suit those who enjoy gradual progression. How quickly can you get funded? Fidelcrest has an average funding time of about 5 business days with a minimum profit target of $1,000. While FTMO takes 2 to 4 weeks with a lower profit target of $500. Need fast funding? Go for Fidelcrest. In terms of evaluation process, Fidelcrest requires meeting specific criteria for the challenge, while FTMO assesses traders based on risk management and profit goals. Understand each firm's requirements to choose the one that fits your style. Looking at customer satisfaction, Fidelcrest has 4.7 stars from 235 reviews, and FTMO has 4.6 stars from 198 reviews. Both firms have solid ratings, but Fidelcrest edges out slightly in customer satisfaction. When it comes to trading platforms, Fidelcrest offers multiple platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and CTrader, while FTMO exclusively uses MetaTrader 4. If platform variety matters to you, Fidelcrest is the better choice. Lastly, let's discuss payout structures. Fidelcrest has a fixed profit split of 70/30ths, while FTMO offers a variable split ranging from 70/30ths to 90/10ths. FTMO's flexible structure rewards high performers. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to Fidelcrest versus FTMO. Which firm do you think aligns best with your trading goals? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next showdown. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into each firm's trading strategies and tips for success. Happy trading!